Have rodents caused damage to your vehicle? No, I don't mean by an accident trying to avoid them. Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. Have you suddenly noticed symbols on your dash illuminated and not sure why? Living in South Jersey, it's not unheard of rodents such as squirrels or mice crawling up into the engine and chewing on those wires. We have seen entire wire harnesses chewed right through, causing costly repairs. Gnawed wires can cause your emergency warning lights, your anti-brake warning lights, and your four-way warning lights all to be illuminated. Quite even possibly your cruise control not operating, and even possibly the vehicle not being able to start. Now, in the early 2000s, the automotive industry, they decided to get smart, and they wanted to be environmentally conscious and wanted to become less dependent on petroleum. This led to the use of bioplastics, which are environmentally friendly and cheaper to produce. These bioplastics are soy-based products. The major problem found was the use of this material attracted rodents for food source. There has been even a class action lawsuit against Toyota, Honda, Kia, and Hyundai for the use of these soy-based wiring material. Honda offered a fix: mouse deterrent tape. Now, for your vehicle, if it's 2008 or newer, your wires could be coated with that soy-based product. Take preventative measure. Here are a list of some preventative measures you can take. Spray rodent defense spray, and that can be found on Amazon. This is an all-natural peppermint spray. So you spray it in the engine compartment. Now that's going to confuse the rodent by making it difficult to detect their urine. See, rodents use their urine to mark safe paths for food and etc. Spray your engine compartment 3 or 4 times a week and then decrease down to 2 to 3 times a week. Place mouse traps, 6 in total. So you put them on the 2 front tires. What you're going to do is you put a mouse trap in the front and the back of the front tire and on top of the front tire. This is going to prevent the rodent from climbing up the tire. Now remember, do it for both front tires. Another option is to shine a flashlight on each tire. So you place it on the ground and you turn it on during the night. Because rodents, they like to be concealed and they hate the light. This may deter them from climbing on the tire and entering into your engine compartment. The final option is to place a fake owl on the ground for extra measure. So keep your vehicle from being the rodent's next snack. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And remember, share the information by pressing the share button. And if you have a story that you've experienced this problem, let us know about it. Put it in the comments section. Thank you for watching.